Bonjour tout le monde, bienvenue. In today's class, we are going to discuss prono-relative composé. Prono-relative, I think you are aware of it. We did it in 9th standard. Prono-relative. Relative pronouns. Relative pronouns used to combine two sentences into one with the help of qui, que, dans, ou. Okay? Similarly, prono-relative composé combines two sentences into one by replacing the nouns, repetitive nouns, with the help of preposition and prono-interrogative. So what we need over here? Preposition plus prono-interrogative. Lequel, laquelle, lesquels, lesquels. Okay? The combination of preposition plus prono-interrogative replaces the repetitive noun and then they combines the two sentences into one. Okay, so the difference between prono-relative composé and sample is over there we in the prono-relative sample we used qui, que, ou, dans, and in prono-relative composé we use prepositions plus prono-interrogative. Prepositions can be sur, dans, derrière, à, and the. Okay, so any type of prepositions can be there. Let's see how we replaces nouns and combine the two sentences. Let's see. Now, as you can see in front of you, four interrogatives are there. Prono-interrogative, masculine singular, lequel, plural, masculine plural, lesquels, feminine singular, laquelle, feminine plural, lesquels. So we are going to use this four plus the prepositions. Let's see. First of all, we take the examples with the prepositions. Normal prepositions we have sur, quel, sur, dans, avec, sous, derrière, devant, etc. Okay. Here you can see it's written voici un bureau. Il y a un livre sur ce bureau. Here is a desk. There is a book on the desk. Now, so bureau is in repetition. Okay. So what we do? Bureau is sub bureau and a bureau. Bureau is masculine singular. So in these four, we are going to replace it with what? Lequel. Okay. With lequel, we will replace sub bureau. Fine. Now, with sub bureau, you can see sur is there. So what we do? We combine lequel and sur. Okay. So we will replace this sur bureau with sur lequel and place it over here between these two sentences. Fine. So what we get? Voici un bureau sur lequel il y a un livre. This is the desk. Here is the desk on which there is a book. I hope it's clear. Next, c'est une valise. Je voyage avec cette valise. C'est la valise. So c'est une valise. So valise is in feminine form, feminine singular. What we use? Laquelle. Cette valise, it's perfectly clear it's a feminine, so we're using laquelle. Now, same thing with cette valise, you can see avec is there. Okay, so we will combine this avec with laquelle and place it between the two sentences. So we get c'est la valise avec laquelle je voyage. Now you see in this sentence we have removed avec cette valise and instead of that we have written avec laquelle before the sentence. Okay, so remember, don't leave the prepositions over there. From here also we have removed sur, from here also we have removed avec and place it between the two sentences. Next, c'est mon ami, je voyage avec cet ami. Now, cet ami, this is masculine singular starting with the wall. Okay, so what we are using for ami? Lequel. Because ami is in the repetition, we are removing ami, so we are using lequel. Okay, when we are writing lequel, with it we have avec. Okay, so we are using avec lequel and we place it like this. C'est mon ami avec lequel je voyage. Okay, now they have used pronom relative simple also. C'est mon ami avec qui. You can use qui also since it's a human being. Okay, you can use with whom je voyage. I hope it's clear. Now in the right now we did combination of preposition with the pronoun interrogative. Now if we have a and the prepositions, how do we combine with the pronoun interrogative? Pronoun interrogative you are using according to the subject noun, that is masculine, feminine, plural, whichever way it is. Pronoun interrogative have definite articles. So when we combine pronoun interrogative with the a or the preposition, you can see there is an article, definite article le. With this we have le, la, again le. So when we have definite article over here, in the contractual articles you have seen that we combine definite articles and the a and the preposition. Same rule we will applying over here. So what we becomes a plus lequel becomes auquel. The plus lequel becomes duquel. So in a sentence, if we have a or the preposition and if we are replacing the noun with the lequel, so we have to combine this the and le and we have to write duquel instead of the lequel. Okay, we have to write duquel. Just remember it. It is one of the important thing to do. Then over here in the plural a, and if we are writing the noun as replacing the noun with the lequel, we have to combine this and write auquel. Similarly with this dequel. With the feminine form, we will write a lequel, the laquel. In the plural, a plus lequel becomes auquel, the plus lequel becomes dequel. Is it clear? Remember it, with the a and the when we are combining pronoun interrogative, we have to put the rule of contractual article. Now let's see the example. C'est un voyage. Je pense souvent à ce voyage. Ce voyage is masculine singular, so we will replacing it with lequel. Now with this we see a preposition is there. So a when combines with le becomes auquel. Okay, the contractual article rule we have applied. A plus le becomes o and quel is there. So for a ce voyage, instead of writing a lequel, we will write auquel. So here it is. C'est un voyage auquel je pense souvent. Is it clear? This is the way we put a and the preposition with the pronoun interrogative. So for pronoun relative composite, one must keep in mind we combine preposition plus pronoun interrogative. The combination of prepositions plus pronoun interrogative, these four are used to replace the nouns and to form to combine two sentences into one sentence. Okay, the repetition of nouns are replaced by the combination of preposition plus these pronoun interrogative. I hope it's clear to you how we use pronoun relative composite in the sentences. Okay, that's all for today. Bonne journée. Merci.